In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the menu font size in WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just getting started, adjusting the font size in your menu can greatly improve your site's design and accessibility. So let's dive right in and explore this together. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once there, head over to the Appearance tab on the left side of the screen and click on Customize. This will bring up the WordPress Customizer, which is a powerful tool that lets you make changes to the look and feel of your website in real time. Within the Customizer, you'll want to navigate to the Additional CSS section. This might sound a bit technical, but no worries, I'll guide you every step of the way. Click on Additional CSS, and you'll be taken to a new panel where you can type or paste in custom CSS code specifically for your website. This CSS code will allow you to adjust the menu fonts without affecting other text on your site. To change the font size of your menu items, you'll need to know the CSS selector that targets your menu. The selector can vary depending on the theme you're using. For instance, a common selector is .main navigation or something similar. If you're not sure what the selector is, you can right-click on your menu in Chrome or Firefox and select Inspect from the context menu. This opens up the developer tools, where you can see the site's HTML and CSS. Look for the section of code that highlights your navigation items. The class or ID that wraps your links is what we'll use in our CSS rule. Once you have the correct selector, you're ready to insert your custom CSS. In the Additional CSS panel, type the selector followed by curly braces. Inside the braces, you'll write font size, followed by the size you wish to set, like 16px or 18px. Here's an example. Main navigation AO font size, 18px. After entering your CSS, you should see the changes appear right away in the Customizer preview. This immediate feedback loop allows you to experiment with different font sizes until you find the perfect fit for your site. Remember to click the Publish button at the top of the Customizer panel once you're satisfied with the changes. This action will save your new font settings and apply them to your live site. Take a moment to check your site and ensure everything looks the way you'd like it to. And there you have it, a simple way to change the font size of your menu items in WordPress. Tinkering with fonts might seem minor, but it can have a big impact on your site's visual appeal and user experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing!